Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have a very, very special guest with us today, and his name is Vipin. Vipin is from Chandigarh, and he's from Go Nature as a coach. And we have a very special guest. Her name is Yasmin Fatima. She is 58 years of age from Telangana, and just listen very carefully what health issues she had and reversed. She was having diabetes from 35 years, right? Medicines completely stopped, right? And she's all right now. IBS problem from 15 years, 100% gone. Heart disease from 15 years, right? And she was taking medicine for that, completely gone. High blood pressure for 15 years, medicines completely stopped, and BP is normal. Acidity, medicines completely stopped. Pandy, anxiety, tension, stress from last 35 years. She said 50-60% improvement, but yes, she's on the track. She had Bell's paralysis 2 years back, completely gone. Constipation 30 years, 30 years of constipation, which now she is passing 2 motions in a day. And other improvements are able to walk, sleep is better, but digestion is better, better energy, feeling happy. So first of all, rest in peace all those people who used to say that अगर आपने medicine छोड़ दी तो ये हो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा. So it's in front of you. So over to you, Yasmin ji, if you can please unmute yourself and please आप अपना experience share कीजिए. Yeah, over to you. जी.
Yeah, Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, everyone.
Assalamualaikum.
Yeah, I'm speaking on behalf of my mother. My mother is Yasmin Fatima and Seema Amreen. And first of all, I would thank Vishal sir and Vipin sir for guiding us. My mother, since from 30 years, she suffered a lot. In last pregnancy, she got diabetes. Since from that time till now, before joining this Go Nature, she suffered a lot. So after joining this Go Nature, all the problems was solved. Means since from 35 years she used to shy and she used to not share about the constipation. So since from that time it was started. Now I would thank Allah Ta'ala ki daily 2 motions. I was very much happy with this. Why? Because she suffered a lot. 15 days she used to not get motion. And because of that hypertension, every problem started from that time. So it is I'm very much satisfied and very much I'm very happy with this guidance and sir's guidance and this Go Nature. So uh, by this also, after joining this, I have taken 28 days challenge also. So by seeing me and my mom, everybody is surprised. What is this? Without medicines, how you have become like this? Now by listening that words, I have joined the gold membership also, so that I can heal my surrounding members. So my mother is my inspiration, and because of this, through my mother, I have come to know about this Go Nature. So previously I used to follow natural remedies, but by this I got some right path. So that I can follow those things and I can treat my mom and my surroundings. So I'm very much happy and very much satisfied. And Vipin sir, she guided me a lot. My mother is very much fond of eating rice. So because of this, I have extended 6 months. Otherwise, within a 6 months, she was very much me बहुत जल्दी ठीक हो जाती थी ये. लेकिन बिना राइस के मम्मी का काम नहीं चलता. तो एनी हाउ वो अब राइस छोड़ दिए. एंड chai, very much fond of chai also. So by starting of this course, I said that you have to leave milk and milk products. So only she used to take tea. But by joining this, Allah Ta'ala की रहमत है कि मम्मी चाय छोड़ दिए. Otherwise, how she used to do means, if I one time also if we are not giving tea means, she used to make very हल्ला मचा देती थी mom. लेकिन but now she is fine and she's happy, she's satisfied. And after my dad expired, she become very much means alone. Now even she did not cry after my dad expired that much. Means she used to take psychiatric medicines because of this IBS, no. So now she is having feelings. Now she will cry, she will laugh. Emotions फिर से बाहर आ गए मम्मी के मेरे. नहीं तो emotionless हो गई थी because of that medicine, psychiatric medicine side effects. Yes. And that too, with that medicine, constipation also. बहुत सारा constipation हो जाता था मम्मी को. I would thank Allah Ta'ala and Vishal sir and Vipin sir and all the Go Nature team. So I got the right path. Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू। आपकी मम्मी कुछ बोलना चाहेंगी? जी फातिमा जी। नमस्कार, अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम सलाम।
वेरी नाइस, बहुत खुशी हुई आपको देख के फातिमा जी। ऐसे ही आप हमेशा हेल्दी रहेंगी, यही हमारी दुआएं हैं। विपिन जी ने मैजिक किया है और ये मैजिक लाइफ टाइम चलेगा, ये हम उम्मीद करते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू। तो विपिन, ओवर टू यू, कैसी आपकी जर्नी रही? या
Good evening, everyone. First of all, Vishal sir, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to help and serve people. हमारा काम है सेवा करना, और आपके साथ के साथ मेंटरशिप के साथ हम लोगों की सेवा कर पा रहे हैं, इससे बड़ी खुशी कोई नहीं हो सकती है, राइट? और डेफिनेटली अबाउट सीमा जी, एक बेटी ने अपनी माँ को हेल्थ इश्यू से स्ट्रगल करते हुए देखा, and instead of giving up, she chose to walk beside her with the healing touch of naturopathy, with love, patience and dedication. With every small change, every gentle reminder and every ounce of love, she helped her mother rediscover strength, vitality and joy. Their journey is not just about healing the body, but also about deepening the bond of love between mother and her child. स्टार्टिंग में जब मैंने इनका केस देखा, आई वॉज लिटिल प्रिकेरियस कि कैसे हो पाएगा, बिकॉज मिसेस फातिमा वॉज इन डिफरेंट जोन, कोई इमोशंस नहीं थे, और मैं इनकी बहुत काउंसलिंग करता था बहुत ज़्यादा। बट स्लोली ग्रेजुअली वो कहते हैं ना, ईश्वर सुनता है, अल्लाह सुनता है, और वो उन लोगों की सुनता है जिनके अंदर प्यार भरा हुआ है, ठीक है, जो दूसरों को प्यार देना चाहते हैं। खासकर अ बॉन्ड बिटवीन मदर एंड अ डॉटर इज समथिंग वेरी अमेजिंग। और 15-15 दिन मोशन ना आना, इससे मैं भी कई बार हिल जाता था, कैसे हो पाएगा। बट नाउ व्हेन आई हर्ड कि 12 दिन में मोशन आना शुरू हो गया है, 11 दिन में मोशन आना शुरू हो गया है, 10 दिन में आ रहा है, 5 दिन हो गए हैं, अब डेली आ रहा है, तो मैंने पाया कि मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूँ, ये ईश्वर कर रहा है, हम सिर्फ जरिया बने हैं। और ऐसे ही हम सर जरिया बने रहेंगे आपके गाइडेंस से, मेंटरशिप से। तो थैंक यू सो मच सीमा जी एंड यास्मीन जी, मुझे मौका देने के लिए, आपके सेवा करने का। थैंक यू सो मच विशाल सर फॉर दिस। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच सीमा, थैंक यू सो मच फातिमा जी, थैंक यू सो मच विपिन। मैं बताना चाहूंगा कि हम लोग को जो डायमंड मेंबरशिप होता है, तो फातिमा जी ने अपने आप को उसमें भी एनरोल किए हैं। गोल्ड के बाद जो डायमंड होता है वो साल में एक बार हम ओपन करते हैं। तो सीमा, आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड कि आप आने वाले टाइम में लोगों की सेवा करेंगे और उनको भी आप डिजीज फ्री करेंगे, राइट? थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच। सो एवरीबॉडी जस्ट टाइप MPTY, मोर पावर टू यू सीमा, मोर पावर टू फातिमा जी, मोर पावर टू यू विपिन। Amazing and beautiful journey. So this is how naturopathy works.